Home automation have become simple and common nowadays. You can automate your home using voice assistants or a switch that is very cheap. So today I'm going to introduce a switch called Sonoff. We have cheap alternatives like Sonoff for automating your home. This switch comes with Wi-Fi enabled and it is very simple setup. You can connect any circuitry with 10 amps and it can be used for fans and lights as well. So there is line and neutral here in input and line and neutral output. You can connect two wires to the input and two wires to the output. You can close it and screw it with the included screw and the cap provided in the box. So I have set up a connection here with the input plug and an output holder that can hold the light. So let's go through the setup now. So first of all you need a power input. So you need to check the line and neutral first. So I'm checking the line and neutral using a tester. So you can see the line is in the left hand side. So you need to check the line input from the Wi-Fi switch and connect accordingly. Otherwise it will create issues to the switch. So presently I am connecting it to the power source. So after connection you can see a green light blinking. So that is a signal that it is searching for a Wi-Fi. So it starts blinking continuously. So now you need to set up the switch to connect it to Wi-Fi network. So you need to press the button provided on the top. So first time when you press the button for a long time, it will start blinking and stop and then blinking. You need to press it again to get a continuous blink of the green LED. And now you can see the LED is continuously blinking. Now the switch is ready for setup. Let's now set up the app for the switch. You need to go to Google Play Store and search for EV-Link app. You can do it in iOS and Android as well. Search for EV-Link app and click on the open button if you have already installed, or if you are a new user you need to install it. You need to create an account using your mobile number. I have already created and added many switches that I am using at my home. So you can see list of switches here. There are 4 options available: quick pairing, scan, QR mode, sound pairing and link account. I will be telling detail about this in later videos. So please stay subscribed. So personally we are doing quick pairing. Click on quick pairing, you can see the Wi-Fi name and password of your router. Click on next button and it will search for the switch. So presently your Wi-Fi network will switch to the switch Wi-Fi network and it will ask for keeping the Wi-Fi connection. Click on keep Wi-Fi connection and wait until the switch is identified. So now you can see the switch is found and it shows a code number of the switch. So wait for some time until the switch is detected and setup is complete. So now in the switch you can see that the green light stops blinking and it blinks slowly. So now it's registering and now it is registered to the network. Now you can rename the switch like I am renaming it as switch itself. So give some name, click on complete. Now switch is added and you can see the switch added in the list as well. From now you can control the switch on off functionality from the app itself in your mobile. Now as the setup is complete, I will show you how it works. I'm in the app and I'm clicking the on button of the mobile app. So I can see the light is turning on and when I press it again it turns off. You can do it in anywhere from the world using a 4G network connection as well. So it is so simple. There are advanced modes inside the switch option. You can share the switch to another person with a mobile number or schedule the turn off on time. You can time it as well as you can loop it. You can see advanced settings and you will be getting regular firmware updates from Sonoff on the same. So you can upgrade the firmware from the settings option.